Hello Ace, my name is Tom Zelliff and I'm with the NoLimits development team, also a longtime Ace member since 1991. Like you, I'm quite sad that the current circumstances are preventing us from being at the home parks for CoasterCon. But since we're all stuck CoasterConning from home, why not have some fun with the recreation competition? We challenge you to recreate one of your favorite coasters from any of the host parks that we were supposed to visit. Send us a video of your recreation, or the whole park file if you aren't able to post the videos somewhere. We'll line up the video of your creation next to the mounted camera footage of the real coaster. For example, as you probably have figured out, you're looking at a NoLimits 2 recreation of Hydra, the Revenge, from Dorney Park. This particular recreation was created several years ago by one of our fans, and we include it with NoLimits 2 as an example of what it can do. And now, here it is next to the original ride. Pretty close, right? Well, that's the contest. And the best part is that you, the Ace community, will vote on which recreation matched the original ride the best by comparing the side-by-side videos. To enter, recreate one of your favorite coasters from the approved list. Then fill out the form to submit your finished entry. You'll find the list of coasters and a link to the entry form in the video description below and on the Ace CoasterCon at Home page. You have until midnight on Tuesday to finish your recreation, and that's midnight Pacific time. And by the way, you can't use this recreation of Hydra. You're going to have to make your own if that's the one you've chosen. We'll post the finished comparison videos by Thursday, June 25th for voting through Friday. Results will be announced on the last day of CoasterCon at Home. So, that's the competition. Good luck, have fun, and we can't wait to see all your amazing entries.